Talagang hindi has that very contract with local government sa Kuwait. Once process ko transaction sa CPO, the local government, maybe not only the local government, but some other government offices. And thus, part of the local government unit of Ilocos, we are guided with this policy so far as the completion of our transaction with the starting from the Deeds and Awards Committee up to the final settlement of the implementation of the local government. And napanigin mo, para sa ilan siguro kami sa nakadaog kung doon ay transaction yung actual. But we also have invited those who have participated in the different meeting processes in San Lungsod. And in more than 50, more than 50 will be invited for this purpose. With objective, makaibaw na kung saan yung proseso and also to avoid any delay so far as settlement of the local government units obligation with its supplier or the winning bidder. Wala na nakakapigin, kaya wala tumingisutan kung saan yung pag-iinginan sa BAR. Siguro kami mga kamutan na other than this, ayun our resource person we have. We are so privileged to joining in with us this afternoon is Mr. Bernard E. Ormineta, CPA, coming from the AR PU district, sa name Central, 89. So we'll be discussing some of these features of some AR policies and regulations related to this topic. We're also doing this because the local government unit is committed to transparency, accountability, and variety for all government processes in isang lungsod sa iyo. So then, yung presensya ng Apuna, magkatag ni dugan na nato kasibo so far as the procurement process in isang lungsod. Hindi lang tutulad na sa bidding. Of course, kung sa'yo gusto sa mga supplier, sama ninyo, eventually, mabayran dyan. Mabayran without delay or maybe some extension tungkol kayo ito na yung nakakuwangan sa mga papel. That's what we are trying to do away. Ano bang avoid na lanan tungkol kayo ito na yung nakakuwang ng mga papel. And kung sa mga ikinahanggan ng mga dito, kanilang BAR, so far as this issuance is concerned. Pag-upan ni Sir, 2025. Ako, pwede rin mo tayo ng notisya. Ganda rin mo aware ng money, ay one. Doon na rin say, required dokumento for final payment. Pero hindi mo nila ito as in the form of this meeting, this forum. Mas hatag mo yung clarifications. Maybe some related matters siguro si Sir Numan so far as being is concerned. On behalf of our local government unit, akong laman sa executive sa Bureau Unit, salamat sa inyong presensya ron. Inawag pagpapaglahan